Is your 2022 Honda Civic's infotainment screen frozen or glitching? Don't worry, there are a few reset options you can try. First, understand the difference between a reboot and a factory reset. A reboot restarts the system without erasing your data. Think of it as a quick refresh. A factory reset wipes all your saved data, restoring the system to its original settings. To perform a reboot, simply press and hold the power button on the touchscreen for 10 to 15 seconds until it restarts. This is your go-to for minor glitches. A factory reset can be accessed via Settings, System, Reset Options, Factory Data Reset. You will need a PIN to confirm. Only use this for persistent issues. Finally, as a last resort, you can disconnect the vehicle's battery for 5 to 10 minutes to force a full system reset. Remember to choose the right reset option based on the severity of your issue. Frozen screens are often caused by software crashes or conflicts with connected devices. To minimize these issues, ensure your system software is up to date. Honda releases over-the-air updates that automatically fix many common problems. Check for updates via the My Honda Plus app or at your dealership. According to Honda's internal metrics, the software update version 2.1.0 has reduced reset needs by 40% for affected owners. Backing up your settings and data is recommended before doing a factory reset, but this is not always possible. If problems persist, it might be a deeper hardware or integration issue. Also, remember that Honda has addressed infotainment issues in the 2022 Civic through these OTA software updates. Look out for Honda's guided reset tutorials, which can be found in the infotainment menu.